We just unlocked exclusive equipment and even one piece of red equipment for Natasha. You'd think she'd become a beast in our formation, right? But wait. What? She inflicts the same skill damage as Megan and Margaret. How is that possible? Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. In today's video, we'll uncover the unique damage calculation system in Dark War Survival and share 4 key tips to optimize your formation effectively. Damage calculation. When we look at battle reports, we notice something surprising. Heroes with the same star and skill level inflict the same skill damage. For example, Natasha, Megan, and Margaret are all 4 stars with a level 20 active skill. Their skill multiplier is 2166% attack, and their skill damage output is identical. Why doesn't Natasha hit harder, even with red equipment? It feels illogical, right? The reason is that Dark War Survival calculates damage differently. From our testing, the system seems to split damage calculation into 2 parts. First, it calculates an average base damage by combining all troop stats and bonus percentages, including total attack, damage, and the opponent's defense. Second, it multiplies this average number by the hero's skill damage multiplier to determine the final damage or HP reduction. This means if 2 heroes share the same skill multiplier, they will deal the same damage, regardless of who has the better equipment. But don't worry, your red equipment isn't useless. The buffs from equipment are added to a shared troop buff pool. So, it doesn't matter who is wearing it. If it's in your formation, the benefit applies. Damage comparison. Take Evans, for example. He's 5 stars with a level 20 active skill, and his skill multiplier is 2586%, 420% higher than Natasha's. As a result, he deals about 19% more skill damage. Darian goes even further. At 5 stars and level 25 active skill, his multiplier is 2793%, making him deal about 8% more damage than Evans. From this, it's clear that the skill damage multiplier is the key factor to boosting the final damage. So, now that we understand how damage is calculated, how can we use this knowledge to our advantage? If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Tip 1. Tech Research. Tech research provides a significant portion of troop buffs, especially in attack and defense. We should focus on research that boosts our main faction first. For example, if our primary formation is shooters, prioritize shooter research before investing in riders or fighters. Tip 2. Global buffs. When heroes reach 5 stars, they unlock the honor level, where we can promote them to boost troop buffs for their faction. If we have extra versatile fragments, spend them only on the main faction heroes. In our case, we should spend them on shooters, not riders or fighters. Also, level up unused heroes to at least 40 and 4 stars. At this point, they unlock their final skill, which provides valuable global buffs. For example, Cecilia's last skill adds 5% troop capacity to all shooter heroes. It is a bonus we shouldn't miss. Tip 3. Equipment. Equipment plays a significant role in troop HP and damage bonuses. We should upgrade it when resources are available, but avoid over-investing in a single piece of equipment. For example, upgrading level 8 equipment to level 9 costs 90 power cores for a 10% boost, while upgrading level 4 to level 5 gives the same 10% boost for only 50 power cores. Remember, the equipment buffs are combined into a shared pool. Thus, we must aim to get as much boost as possible at the lowest cost. Leveling up all the equipment at the same pace will give you the best return. Tip 4. Stars and skills. When promoting hero stars, work on one hero at a time. If we're focusing on Natasha, we should spend all versatile fragments on her until she hits 5 stars before moving on. A 4-star tier 3 Natasha deals the same damage as a 4-star tier 0 Natasha because the big 1200% damage boost only comes at 5 stars. Meanwhile, prioritize leveling up the hero's first skill to boost the skill multiplier. That's how damage really works in Dark War survival. But what about hero-to-hero battles like Dark Zone Ops? Does this formula apply? No. Dark Zone Ops uses a different battle mechanism without troops. That's another fun topic to discover. If you want to learn more about this topic, please comment on hero formation. Please like and share this video with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.